If we can start getting the minor league teams to start lining up on the side. Next up, we have our Lady Tigers, coached by Wade Perry. First up for the Lady Tigers is Madison Blanton, Kylie Booz, Angelia De La Suarez, Elizabeth Gatling, Caitlin Haldy, Madeline Hauber, Savannah Midori, Rachel Midori, Emily Purcell, Ashton Perry, Ashley Reynolds, and Mackenzie Squires. Let's hear it for the Lady Tigers and our Coach Pitch Division. Next we have our minor league division.